frig yeah, dudes. I ordered a onepuglife.com hat from Wish. You can see the difference. I mean, this one's got dog shit on it from when Nelson was flinging it, but you know what I mean? You can see the difference, right? I'll give it to the felon, hey? It's a felonious act. It's a bit of a felonious act. Holy dude. Hey, check this out. It's a Wish. It's a fucking onepuglife.com hat from Wish.
Oh, nice.
Hey, try that on.
Nice. That fucking...
First thing he does is start picking. Hey? First thing he does is just start fucking pecking.
There we go.
Nice.
Yeah, bud.
Hey?
Yeah,
That's straight from wish.com.
Oh, nice.
You get the good ones, onepuglife.com though.
I gotta start learning how to say it as fast as you do though. Onepuglife.com.
Yeah. Gotta get, scrape this down a little bit, get some of this fucking mud off here, and then just start, put like a foot thick of gravel.
I know. I was watching you fucking try to get that trailer out yesterday, man. Damn.
Yeah. Fuck. I just fucked up the holy shit. I sent her a little too hard, boys. Oh dear. Yeah, there was almost 3,000 pounds of radiators, eh?
Shit, eh? Yeah, it was up into this fucking hump out. It was trouble though, man. That's where the tire trailer was.
Yeah.
I was watching you trying to get over that. Oh yeah.
And it's just right in the slippy. I need to get a posi traction rear end. I got a one-wheel peel. I got four-wheel drive. One wheel's turning.
Oh shit.
Like what the? I'm almost wondering. I mean, I gotta have four-wheel drive. We were driving on the 907, 150 mile an hour, but my service four-wheel drive lights on. So I mean, the chain could be just sitting in the bottom of the case, and the thing's just spinning around, not even connected to fuck all. I just put it in four-wheel drive, and then driving down the road like a idiot, but I'm still totally in two-wheel drive. You love Inwood, eh?
Yeah, I do. That's better than where I'm from, at least.
Quiet here.
Yeah, man. So easy to sleep.
All right. For fucking 4 days. What happened?
Oh man, I go home and it's like fucking nightmare trying to fall asleep.
Yeah, loudest clicking noises. Fucking.
It might be just here that's going, man. But it's driving me nuts.
Yeah, clickety clacking and.
Yeah, you hear the highway noise.
Oh. Or what do you mean, the truck? Yeah, just some fucking idiot was fucking selling it on Facebook. I collect up the Dodges because I fucking, rust them out and smash parts and try to modify stuff and need other bits to hack up and whatever, right? So, but Chevys, I don't have it. I just part out what I can part out and pack her full of junk and take her to the scrapyard. Somebody might want the engine and shit. Runs really good, and transmission, everything works in it, but she's fucking rusty and dicked big time. I mean, it's not as rusty as my fucking truck, but it's still pretty bad.
I've been looking for those little buttons for quite some time.
Oh yeah?
The buttons are hard to find, and I didn't want to cut them out of the other doors.
No doubt. Right on, man. We got a little degreaser bottle here we'll try out. I used to have a Dodge that wasn't too rusty. Hey, I used to have one. We power washed the rocker. Let's see what happened. Oh man, that's no good. All the paint off the fender blew all over the truck. You know, at least my paint job, driveway paint job, stuck. You could at least power wash the friggin' thing. You know what I mean? It's less than ideal. Good Lord. Oh, yeah. 100%. Yeah, that's... Oh, no. Oh, no. Should probably, order cab corners and... You know what I mean? Just garbage. Just freaking garbage. Oh yeah. That's good. Anybody want to come over and get themselves a piece of rocker off my truck? Okay, $79.95. I'll sell you a hunk of my truck, even the box, boys. Oh no. This is my good one too. I do have some fenders. Maybe we'll just crawdad them on there. Hey, just get some self-tappers and just crawdad them on there. Some f***s. But yeah, that's less than ideal, I think. Couple things. Somebody mentioned I should have a service box on this anyway, and I think that's a wonderful idea. Okay, maybe we'll get a dually rear end. Problem is, this is 410 gears, you know, 2200 RPM to keep up with traffic. Whereas that one, you're going like, you know, maybe 1800. Not too bad. Not too bad. Now, this thing worked out friggin' pretty good there. Only thing is, I ran out of juice. I mean, I didn't need any more, but you know what I mean. But yeah, once we get this, well, really, once we get some decent weather, so is where we can just like push this outside for an afternoon and stuff like that. So I do, you know, want to continue working on it, but at the same time, I got other shit to do as well, right?
Nice and clean now.
Oh, yeah! Now we can drive in the storm tomorrow. Holy! Good thing I good thing I washed my truck yesterday. Hey, boys, that's a good thing, right? Get it out from under this thing. That worked fucking splendid.